We're downtown Ottawa, about to do our downtown city crawl. And there's a bunch of people that are there with us, and now I'm going to show you the RC cars that are on the ground. Got lots of truck that showed up. Not as much as last year. I decided to bring the Clodbuster out for the fun of it. Downtown, it's going to be fun playing in the grass and on stuff. We even have this guy that came and meet us on the trail. Ka-chow, ka-ching, ka-chow. Oh, got a Ferrari. Cool. And now we're about to go. And we got even this guy that has no wheels. It's either from the scrapyard or on the way to the scrapyard, one or the other. Cool. Is that a Ford? Beaver tails. Just want to see all the RCs go by. Just keep going to the end. Just keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going. Keep going. Keep going to the corner. Ka-ching! Yeah. Launching ramp, yay!
Slow down. All right. We're in a 30 km/h zone. You can't go over the speed limit.
Okay, I'm wondering what the heck is this supposed to be? There is no plaque.
Yeah, it's right there.
Where?
Back here, our shepherd. Back
Okay. Somebody is saying it's because we're all mindless sheep, and that's what this meant. But this is weird that this is here, and there's a plaque over there. So we're gonna go see what the plaque is. There we go. Two shepherds stand face to face atop of two sheep. Maybe on the way back I could switch and drive the Herbie and put the monster truck in the back. And we're at another intersection. And here's another plaque. Confederation Boulevard. Now we gotta catch up. Nice little spot over there to get a freshen up of a drink. And we're at a little spot here where we usually stop and crawl for the crawlers. So he's already starting to try to climb. So did you make it up, no problem? Kind of? Yeah, I recorded you doing it, so that's why I was checking if you were gonna lie. Coming down is way faster than going up. Almost. There we go. Gotta get that axle over that rock. Binding up a little bit on that rock. Emily, Say hi, you're on YouTube. Okay, Ferrari versus Quadbuster. Big one. And we have a little crawler. Hey, little guy! I'm gonna step on you. Oh, I missed it. Jeez, this thing is smaller than my foot. Come on, little guy, you can do it. Perfect place for this guy too. Photobomb right now! I think I got it. Who's gonna win? Ford, Ferrari, and Volkswagen. Go! Herbie is stuck. You ready? Set, go! The Chateau Laurier. So last year I ended up towing that thing. This year you're not taking any chance?
No.
It's on the trailer. Here's La Ferrari.
It's almost your turn.
unload. So this is our crawling space that we come downtown, and I forgot to do some videos. But under this bridge, there's a lot of spots to actually crawl on the rocks. Herbie got a new trailer. Herbie got repoed. Where are you going with my Herbie?
Okay there, Mr. Power.
We got 2 motors. Now there's a parking job. That's a T, there you go. This is West Block. There's Herbie. Herbie got repossessed. He didn't pay his payments. There we got Terry Fox here. For the run of Terry Fox when he came, I believe he did get to Ottawa. We are not going to go to the Parliament Hill today. There's a manifestation over there. So we're going to stay away from that. But the flame is there and there's Parliament. So now we're going to start heading back to the car.